My name is Ted Lewis. My wife Ann and I have been in the ministry with the Home of Blessing since 2003. Today we're celebrating a good time here and enjoying the holiday with the girls, and we're just laughing and playing, and it's just a great day. And I have Dr. Kasavadi with me here. He's a busy fella and I have to kind of run him down to spend much time talking, but we're at the Home of Blessing. We're at the main entrance here.
I want to greetings to everyone in the USA, and especially the churches that have been support Papa for many years of the Celebrate Life ministry, and that is begin in the heart of Papa Ted and Mama Ann since 2003.
Oh, ไหนลูกคนเก่ง
That is have been long time, but the vision and the dream still in the heart
Hadn't
of
died.
Papa Ted. Yeah,
It's still here.
yeah, not die, still here.
No.
And more year, and Papa Ted just love the Home of Blessing and keep coming
Yes.
every year to visit the Home of Blessing. So thank you for your prayers and your support, and please continue praying for us.